Welcome back to this video. Today's tutorial, I will show you how to record WhatsApp call without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Today's tutorial, I will show you how to record WhatsApp call in Android. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here. And on getting to your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to make use of search apps. And the next thing you need to do is to type in app or Recorder. Then click on search. Then we have the app right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on it. Then it takes us to this particular page. As you can see, as at the time of making this video, over 1 million plus apps successfully download and install this app. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on install. After successful installation, next thing we want to do is to simply click on open. Just like so. So we have app call recorder, then click on next. Then you can simply read the terms of using the apps. Click on next, click on accept, click on next, then grant permission. While using it, allow, then allow, then enable the service. So you have to look for the app icon on your phone. So just like so, we have app call recorder. So I'm going to click on here, and I will make sure it's enabled, allow, click on here, then got it. It's as simple as that. So we have the recording icon on my screen right here. As you can see, this is the recording icon, just like so. Now I can simply exit from here. So I have the recording tab right here. Now let's go to my WhatsApp and see how we can use this to record WhatsApp call. So after granting all the permission, then you can be lodged into the app icon right here, call recorder. Next thing you can do here is to click on this three slider. If we click on that, this will allow you to see your settings. So you can do some settings right here. What are the things you can do? Click on settings. You can export the audio to your cloud, or better still, you can leave it in this app. You can also put security lock into the app, such as pin lock or finger lock, or as the case may be. So let's go back to the app. Now, if you want to see your record, go back to the three slider and click on this particular audio source right here. So choose a voice recognition is highly recommend, just like so. Voice recognition, then just like so. Then let's go back to this particular app right here. So just like so. Now we can simply go ahead and make a call and see how we can actually use this app to record call on WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right here. So from my WhatsApp here, I will make a call. When you cut the call, then you head over to the app. Then click on allow, enable. So you have it successfully record. So basically, this is how to record WhatsApp call without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.